In this training, we will be addressing grant accounting. We'll talk about what this requires, if it applies to your project, and how to stay in compliance. What is grant accounting? Grant accounting describes the process in which all grant resources are tracked and maintained in a financial database. For state accounting purposes, all costs related to a grant have to be coded separately within an accounting system. The accounting system should account for cost by budget line item. If there are multiple funding sources for a project, all costs must be tracked separately by funding source. Grant costs and grant match must be coded separately as well. This table is an example of how awardees will be requested to complete grant accounting. The grant subledger should contain all income, revenue, and expenses related to the project. In this example, an internet service provider is accounting for a 10-mile build of fiber, including both aerial and underground fiber, for a $300,000 grant, plus match, which includes private and local government matching funds. These numbers are based on a hypothetical project. In this example, expenditures are broken down by budget line item, funding source, and type and source of match. Does grant accounting apply to my project? Yes. Grant accounting applies to all CBO broadband projects. So what do I have to do? Set up your accounting system to track all revenue or income and expenses by project. Create a report that shows project expenses and revenue, including match and other funding sources, known as a subledger. Match your subledger to each request for reimbursement. And retain source documentation, receipts in case of monitoring or audit. Thank you for your time today and your commitment to learning more about the compliance requirements around the Advanced Colorado Broadband programs. Please reach out to us with any questions at advance_cbo@state.co.us.